What's up, it's Zappatroy9 here. Today on our third video for you guys, or Mr. Beast video for you guys. So basically, guys, that Mr. Beast kept protein, um, 6 of that for sure, because I tried with jerky, not some of that for Slim Jim, that for sure. Really do jerk meats, not so that for sure. 1% with that, these color flavors, the salmon, and also with that, probably provide from great good foods, and also available at local Walmart, Best Stream and Target some of them for sure. More receiving the really healthy. They get new guys out. Mr. Beast with fried orange and bit of chocolate recipes. You know some once in a while and protein all that for sure. You guys know Mr. Beast, know his team, it's something like that. Oh my god. More for you guys know because of the Mario Bowser and Michael Jackson. Guys know that for what's a while. You guys know for that for sure. Mario and Michael Jackson, Mario Galaxy, some of that was coming this April. Because just guys know, Mario 2 that I mentioned that earlier. And so yeah, don't forget, guys, do figure some of that for sure. Establishing video coming in the spring. And remember that's what I forgot about second video. More poorly, you guys know, particularly with that for sure. All you guys know, you guys are very back to you. I'll see you guys more with that for Mr. Peach. Some of the guys, he's Mr. Beast, pretty awesome man, pretty good, can't wait to try him. But you guys enjoy the video, subscribe, say up, all the bitches, you guys well, see you guys, and tune in tomorrow, take care, see you, peace, great day, see ya, peace.